I'm going to show you how to clean, condition, and preserve your leather boots using Blackrock Leather N Rich. This product is made following my grandfather's recipe. It's easy to use and will work on all finished leather without darkening it. This is a pair of Red Wing boots. Scuffs and scrapes are inevitable and normal signs of wear on boots. However, over time, the leather boots will dry out and become dehydrated. Blackrock will restore the natural oils that are put in during the tanning process to keep the leather healthy and hydrated. By properly caring for your boots, you will maximize their lifetime. Let's get started. Step 1, you're going to remove the laces. Doing this will allow you to get into the nooks between the tongue to remove any dirt and debris buildup. Then you're going to brush the boot to get off dirt, grime, and dust. Step 3 is the most important, applying the Blackrock. Using your fingertips, evenly apply a small amount in a circular motion, allowing the product to absorb into the leather. My grandmother is the one who showed me this method. Using your hand is the best way to have the product absorb into the leather to get down into the fibers. When applying Blackrock, a little bit will go a long ways. Carnauba wax is in our product and will buff to a shine, leaving your leather with a rich, mellow glow. After you've finished applying Blackrock, take a cloth or a paper towel to rub the leather and lift off any excess Blackrock and dirt. Finally, you're going to finish by giving your boots a shine with a horsehair brush. Using a horsehair brush is the best. The bristles are strong enough to clean, but soft enough without scratching and damaging the leather. Once your boots have dried, and before you wear them next, go ahead and add your leather laces. Leather laces are a proven value for any footwear design. These are made from genuine rawhide leather. They're designed for superior strength and durability and give a little extra pop to the boots. And those are the simple steps to clean, condition, and preserve your leather boots. One jar does it all.